afternoon. Today is April. Hey guys, good afternoon. Today is April 5. It's a Monday and I'm on leave today. Yes, nag-leave ako for Monday kasi di ba long weekend? So, dinire-diretso ko na hanggang Monday yung weekend ko. And this is just a gentle reminder for you guys to take your leaves. Huwag kayong mahiyang mag-take ng vacation leave. So, yon, nag-take ako ng leave kasi I just wanna clear my mind, do some things outside work. So, here I am, vlogging. Anyway, today's video, I will be sharing with you my new work desk. I bought this from Shopee and I will just be bringing you guys along with me while I build this thing. Actually, ito siya. This thing, focus. So, ito na yung bago kong desk. Dumating na siya and it's color white. And I'm planning to place it here. Sige, wait, pakita ko sa inyo. Ayan, so this is the free space dito sa bahay. This is where I do my TikToks and where I do my thingies. So, ayan, ito siya. Dito ko ilalagay yung work desk ko. Let's see later kung ano yung magiging after nung video. Bakit ang puti-puti ko tingnan sa camera. Anyway, I am just vlogging like a very raw vlog kasi trip ko lang. And naka-makeup ako right now because magti-TikTok ako after I build this table. Hopefully, madali lang siyang buuhin. So, Maxine will be helping me out. Anyway, I will be sharing with you also my newest purchase, which is this one. Ang gulo ng vlog. So guys, I bought this sofa organizer from Shopee as well. It's an organizer, so nabubuksan mo to, yung top. And then nasa loob niyan yung mga pambahay naming damit just to ensure na hindi naghahalo doon sa mga panglakad naming damit and para magkaroon kami ng free space. Ayan. Ayan. So ayan yung holder ko. I have my fan here. I have my ring light here. And that's the desk. Ow, ow, ow. Hola. So if may nakita kayong buhok sa kilikili ko, yun ay dahil hindi pa ako nagbubunot at ako'y tinatamad. Ayan, so dito natin bubuuhin yung table and hopefully makita nyo yung process. I'll try my best to capture everything in this vlog and montage in 3, 2, 1.
What if I wake up happy? And what if I wake up sad? Sorry if I said something that made you mad. Wishing that I could call you. Sorry my service bad. My bad. When I wake up you're not next to me. Guess I'm missing all your energy. That's all I want. Promise I am not your enemy. I just need another memory. That's all I want. 'Cause all I want is you. Is you. It takes two. 'Cause all I want is you. Is you. It takes two. All I want is you.
Hey guys, good afternoon. So, I'm done building the desk and mag-snacks lang ako. So, coffee and cake. So, pakita ko sa inyo yung favorite coffee ko as of the moment. So, I have two. So, this is the ref. So, I discovered this recently. As in, like 2 weeks ago ko lang na-discover to. Nagpunta kaming 7-Eleven and I got this Great Taste Caramel Macchiato. Try ko lang dapat talaga siya. Pero natikman ko siya. Better to ng parang, ano na siya, parang frappuccino yung dating niya. So, natikman ko to. Super sarap niya. I super love this, yung Caramel Macchiato. That's why I also got myself this vanilla latte. I haven't tried this. And this one, this is the chocolate mocha. This is specifically for Maxine. Ayan. And then for the milks, I'm trying out yung almond. And then yung Aria or Arla na milk. This one. And then I also bought this. I'm not a big fan of the vanilla flavor nung sa Starbucks. But I'm trying this caramel out. So, tsaka ko na yung titikman. We also have this, yung Coca-Cola na coffee, dala ni Papa from work. Oh, by the way, I wanna show you to my ice cream section sa ref. So, I'm super in love with this ice cream. Super love ko tong mochi for only 10 pesos, guys. Super nice talaga yan. And then this one, the coffee crispy. I also love yung chocolate niya na parang magnum na yung dating. This one tastes like melona. Yan. So that's my ice cream corner. So let's get my coffee. Where's my coffee? Yellow lang pala. So here you go. Gonna get some. I'll show you later yung desk. Nagtitiktok lang kasi na Maxine. So I'll be right back. Grabe yung tsura ko. Mukha akong basura. Anyway, I'm done building the desk. I will be showing it to you later. Right now, I'm just fixing all of my stuff. So nilalagay ko na sa mga drawers yung mga gamit-gamit ko. I also decided to put up my own coffee place dito sa area since may mga shelf siya. And then sa drawer, dun ko ilalagay yung mga capsules ko and all that. And then right now, andito, yung mga books ko and pens. Naayos ko lang siya para maayos. Yung dalawa, nakasali sa akin. Tingnan mo. Si Maxine nandito na din. Si Tequila, nagustuhan din yung area kasi may bintana. So, sana naman ako pagpresto.
Tell me, does a flower in the shade ever feel a little jealousy? Does it ever go away? All I want is you to answer me right now. Just dance with me right now. Just dance with me right now.
Hey guys, this is the next day, Nika, and sobrang puti ng mukha ko sa camera. Inaayos ko yung ng camera ko. Ayan. Ay, hindi. Sobrang dilim naman. Anyway, inaayos ko yung camera ko kasi hindi ko alam kung bakit ayaw niyang tanggalin yung puti ng mukha ko. Anyway, I wasn't able to show you guys yung final desk natin yesterday kasi sobrang napagod ako and ang hirap mag-screw-screw ng mga to. So, papakita ko siya ngayon sa inyo. At the same time, I will be showing you guys the packages that I received in the last couple of weeks from Shopee, from Shop Solasta, and from Twice Nice PH. I will be sharing all of those with you guys. Okay, let's start first with the package that I got from Shopee. Teki! Okay, let's start first with the package. Tequila! Okay guys, let's start first with the package that I received from Shopee Philippines. I wanted to do this, yung unboxing nito, because you've been with me for... Ayaw akong pag-vlogin ni Tequila. Anyway, going back, I wanted to show you guys the unboxing of this package because you've been with me for 3 years here in YouTube. And we're here. We're one of Shopee ambassadors already. And I'm super happy that nakuha ako ni Shopee as one of their ambassadors because lagi talaga ako nagsha-shopping sa Shopee. So, sobrang love ko tong brand na to. Sobrang love ko tong platform na to. So, here I am sharing with you what they sent me. Actually, so let's open it. So, first one I have here is the stand holder. So, na-assemble ko na to. Ito siya. This one. So, I'm using this for my TikTok lives. Yes, guys, I'm on TikTok. Follow me on TikTok. I have lots of friends in TikTok. A booklet full of Shopee vouchers. Next would be a t-shirt. They also sent me a pouch. Yeah, sige, gagamitin ko na to. And then they also sent me a camera stand. But I think this one is for the ring light. They sent me a ring light. So, this one. Sobrang useful ng laman ng boxes. Nung box na to, ang dami-dami niyang laman. So, this is the ring light. Ito siya, pakita ko sa inyo. So, here's the ring light that they sent me. I wasn't able to use this pa kasi maliwanag naman dito sa area ko sa bahay. So, hindi pa ako nagamit nito. But for my TikTok, ginagamit ko to as my phone tripod. And last but not the least, they sent us a Shopee ambassador pin. This is my favorite out of all the things that they sent me. The Shopee ambassador pin. It's super pretty, it's super nice, it's something that I can definitely keep for a very, very long time. Kahit siguro hindi na ako nag-YouTube or kahit siguro mataas na yung mga followers ko or whatnot. Anyway, let's move on to the packages that Shop Solasta sent me. So, sa bago kong desk, dito ko nilagay yung mga box ni Solasta. So, here they sent me a new package. Shop Solasta sent me a new pair of earring, which is this one. This is the Hehe earring, which I'm also wearing, by the way. Ayan. Kita nyo? Ayan, this one, yung parang exclamation point. I just realized, nung sinusot ko siya kanina, na para pala siyang exclamation point. And it's so nice because you get to wear this in a different ways. Like, nasa likod to, and then pwedeng nandito siya sa unahan. So, they just dropped this yesterday, so you might wanna check it out. By the way, today is April 6. And also, guys, they sent me their pouch. I think original ni Solasta is naka-pouch talaga siya. So, yan, they sent me 2 pouches. Also, Twice Nice Philippines sent me a loungewear. So, I'm wearing the shorts right now. It's so nice. I super love these shorts. And then, they sent me this one. Yung top niya. So, loungewear set siya, ganyan. So yeah, basically those are the packages that I want to share with you guys because parang hindi naman ako lagi nakakatanggap ng packages, but every time that I do, I always make sure to share it with you because you've been with me through this journey. Now, let's move on to the final desk. So this is the desk. Let me show you. So, right now I'm working. That's why sobrang messy niya. But this is the final desk. As you can see, we have 4 shelves here. That 1, 2, 3, 4. And then hanggang bottom pa siya. Wala pa ako na ilalagay dito because wala akong mailagay. But here, I placed a mirror. I placed a mirror, my calendar, hand cream, and then here I have the Solasta boxes, my glasses, this scented candle, and then here I placed like a little mini coffee bar, something like that. I placed all of my syrups. I'm not a big fan of the hazelnut syrup, by the way. I super love vanilla and caramel, but not the hazelnut one. So I have my espresso machine here. And then here, we have 3 drawers. So, I just have my mini fan. So, I'm just using that. Sobrang init kasi. And then, my phone holder, my speaker, my tumbler, the pouch, my phone. And then, here, we have 3 drawers as you can see. So, first drawer, wala pa siyang laman. I'm planning to put all of my coffee capsules here. I-arrange ko siya dyan. So, yan, super love. Excited na ako. And then, here, I placed all of my essentials. Like mga panale, mga pang-ipet, ganyan. And then here, I have the screws, the screwdriver, charger ng phone, charger ng laptop. So, dyan ko siya ilalagay lahat. So, yeah, basically, that's just it for the desk. It's super nice. Hey, that's me. It's super nice kasi ang liit lang niya. It's very perfect for small spaces. And then, I just placed my ring light sa side kasi may space pa doon. So, I'm owning up this space sa bahay. Hola! So, tapos na yung meeting ko. Nakapang TikTok attire na ako. Snacks muna tayo. Hi, I'm vlogging. I'm going live sa TikTok every 4 p.m. or whenever I feel like going live. So, right now, I have... How many are you? 34 watchers. Hello, guys! Hola! So, this is next day, Nika, again. Nalilimutan kong mag-outro sa mga vlogs ko. But anyway, today, I will be sharing with you my latest Shopee find. This is very sikat. Kasi alam mo naman, ang hirap mag-mask every time we go out. And alam mo yung pagtatanggalin natin siya, ilalagay sa bulsa somewhere. So, I bought this. This is a mask chain. Just perfect for your masks para every time na tatanggalin mo yung mask mo, alam mo yun, gaganon lang siya. Let's imagine that this is my mask. So, ilalapag mo lang siyang ganyan sa chest area mo. So, I bought one na pearl. Ayan. I super love yung pearl kasi ang cute niya lang. And it comes with these 2 clasps right here para pangkabit sa mask mo. And then, I also bought the same thing in gold naman. So, ayan. Gold naman to. Ayan, ganyan siya. Ano ba? By the way, another brand sent me a PR package. This is Mersey Philippines. I think familiar na kayo sa kanila kasi laging sila nagpapadala sa akin ng mga products, ganyan. So, ayan. They sent me 3 of their Flex eyeliner, which are these. Asan yung isang eyeliner, Sin? Ow! Ginamit ni Maxine yung isa eh. Saan mo nilagay? So, meron tayong hard black, merong soul brown, and modern brown. So, let's try muna yung hard black. So, yung hard black, tinatry na namin to ni Maxine. Maganda siya, actually. I super love the tip of this eyeliner. Ayan, no, ang ganda. And then, this is how you do it. Ayan, sobrang dark niya. By the way, I saw this girl sa TikTok. Ang galing niya maglagay ng eyeliner. As in, one swipe and then she's done. So, gusto ko ma-reach yung ganong talent sa pag-eyeliner. Pero very, very bihira naman ako mag-eyeliner. Sorry for this vlog. More on finds, more on other things lang yung napakita ko sa inyo. This one naman is yung Soul Brown. Paano ba? Hindi talaga ako makeup guru. Hindi ako marunong mag-swatch. Ayan yung brown. This is perfect if you just want your liner to be so natural na parang it's not there but you know that you have a liner. And then this one is yung modern brown. Yeah, this is the modern brown. Hindi naman siya nagkakalayo ng color ng Soul Brown. But I guess this one's more into the black side. Parang mas darker to compared sa dito. Hindi talaga ako magaling magaganto. Sobrang nice kasi ang ganda ng tip, oh. Sobrang ganda ng tip nung eyeliner. Anyway, I'm done doing my TikTok live for today. And yeah, basically that is just it for today's video. I just showed you yung unboxing ko ng Shopee finds and then these thingies. And then yeah, grabe wala na akong ma-vlog. Just to be honest with you guys, I feel like I'm actually going to be more active sa TikTok because I just love the community there. I just love the people there. As in, I don't wake up reading hateful comments. Unlike sa YouTube, na ang dami ko nababasang hateful comments sa mga videos ko, something like that. Sa TikTok, as in, the community is very, very nice. People are very welcoming. Everyone's asking you to do this and to do that without you asking them to ask you what to do. Alam mo yun? I'm so sorry dahil baka in the next few months, I'm diverting my attention to TikTok more. But I'll try my best to upload contents here din naman sa YouTube. Anyway, that is just it for today's video. I hope you enjoyed this one and I will see you in my next one. Bye!
Tell me, does the flower in the shade ever feel a little jealousy? Does it ever go away? All I want is you to answer me.